Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Umi Asma, a certified data analyst. Okay, so I have a good news for you guys. So today, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of my 30-day Power BI series. So starting right here on this channel. All right. So whether you are a beginner trying to dip your toes into data analysis or someone looking to level up your Power BI skills. So this series is tailored just made for you. Okay. So what do you expect in the sessions, in the series? Okay. Over the next 30 days, we will break down Power BI step by step. Okay. We are going to learn how to connect and clean data like a pro. Then we are going to build our interactive dashboards that tell powerful stories, master tips and tricks to save time and enhance your skill. Okay, so in on each day we'll bring something new, from basics to advanced techniques by the end, so you will have the confidence to create stunning data visualization and share the insights that stand out. So why I am starting Power BI? So you see, in today's world, data driven world, Power BI is a business analytical tool. All right. So it's a game changer. It's a must have tool for analysts, students, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to make data driven decision with ease. Okay. So how can you join in this Power BI series? You have to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single day. So follow along with each video. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and actionable. All right. So here, share your progress and creations using hashtag 30 days Power BI. Okay. So let's build this journey together. Let's get started. So when am I starting? Is from 30th of this month. Okay. So let's make this journey unforgettable. So see you on 30th of this month. So I'll be uploading my videos sharp at 7 p.m. Okay, every day. So bye bye. Take care.